Hey everyone, so welcome back to our second video on expert system. So just to recap whatever we have done, we just discussed about what is expert system, then what are its characteristics, then the capability of expert systems, then one of the very important concept which is components of expert system. Just to put a light on it, there are these are the components of expert system, wherein humans expert gives all the data and information, wherein a knowledge engineer designs it, then he puts it in knowledge base, then inference engine, then data interface, then the end users will use the data. So moving upon, then we discussed about the benefits and limitations of expert system and its applicability in different domains like design, medical or mentoring system, knowledge domain, and finance and commerce domain, and so on. So next aspect is development of expert systems. So here I'll show you some of the general steps for development of expert system. So these are very much similar to that of decision support system or HRIS system. So here, starting with the first process, which is identifying the problem domain. So some of the strategies wherein we'll have to think of them are that the problems must be suitable for an expert system to solve it. So whatever problems you are identified, it should be solvable and much realistic. So next you'll have to find the experts in task domain for the expert system project. Then establish cost effective of the particular system. Then moving upon to the second one, it is design the system. So here we'll have to identify the expert system technology, then know and establish the degree of integration with the other systems and databases, then realize how the concept can represent the domain knowledge the best. So the next one is develop the prototype. So from knowledge base, the knowledge engineer works to acquire domain knowledge from the experts and represent it in the form of if then else rules. Then we'll have to test and refine these prototypes. So the knowledge engineer uses sample cases to test the prototype for any deficiencies in the performances. Then the end users test the prototypes of the expert system. Then in case there are any problems or any aspects or any applicability that has to be raised will be discussed here. Then develop and complete the expert system. So the test and ensures the interaction of the expert system with all elements of its environment, including end users, databases and other information systems, and document the expert system project well. Then they'll have to again train the users to use this expert system. The final users, they'll have to be trained accordingly. Then the last one, maintain the system. So keep the knowledge up to date by regular review and updates. Then cater for new interfaces with other information systems as those systems evolve and so on. And however, regular maintenance and periodical maintain and updation of the data is very much vital in this complete expert system. So these are some of the development process of expert systems, and Of course, as I've mentioned here, these are the general steps, and yes, this can be we can go in detail regarding the technology and the softwares we are using or we might use in the near future. So anyhow, thank you for watching this video. So have a great day, guys.